the politics over so-called saffron terror now heating up after key accused Aseem Anand allegedly said in an interview to Caravan magazine that RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat had endorsed the 2007 blasts. Aseem Anand reportedly told the magazine that Bhagwat said the attacks were very important but should not be linked to the Sangh Parivar. The Congress is asking for a probe, but the BJP and the RSS have rubbished it as a political conspiracy. Aseem Anand has been implicated in 5 terror cases, including the Samjhauta Express, the Hyderabad Mecca Masjid blast, as well as the Ajmer Dargah blast. We do not vouch for the authenticity of these tapes.
The National Investigating Agency has filed charge sheets against Aseem Anand but has not named any prominent RSS leader. Now, the National Investigating Agency sources say that they're not sure how this can change the charge sheets. The RSS has denied allegations, saying that Aseem Anand is in jail. How could he be interviewed? Now, we question the veracity of the conversations, is what the RSS says. According to the magazine, in the course of over 2 years, Aseem Anand granted 4 exclusive interviews to the Caravan journalist Leena Geeta Raghunath inside Ambala jail, the total duration of which runs into 9 hours 26 minutes.
ये बहुत संवेदनशील समस्या है। इसको पार्टीगत रूप से ना देखते हुए इसको राष्ट्र हित के दृष्टिकोण से देखना चाहिए और गंभीरता के साथ, और ये मानकर कि जो सत्य है वो सामने आना चाहिए, देश के सामने आना चाहिए, और उसके बाद दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाए, ताकि कम से कम देश में जो चर्चा होती है और होती रही है वो चर्चा पारदर्शिता से हो और जो उचित बात है वो उचित बात सब लोगों के सामने आ जाए।
I think it's a serious matter and Home Ministry should take cognizance of it. You cannot write it off like this. Whatever BJP may say, because if any allegation is made against them, they immediately reject it. But whenever something against others, then they always take it up. So I think Home Ministry should take cognizance.
इस तरह के इनको क्रांतिकारी विचार और इस तरह के क्रांतिकारी कोशिशें इनकी तभी आती हैं जब चुनाव सर पे आता है, और उसको जो है वो चुनाव को वास्तविक मुद्दों से किस तरह से डाइवर्ट करो, इसकी कोशिश होती है।
CBI से जांच होनी चाहिए और यदि इनका दोष है, जैसे एविडेंस सामने आ रहे हैं, तो उनके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।